Lino 2D Fix is the perfect solution if you want to quickly obtain usable 2D drawings of design variants, no matter if these variants are created by hand, as we do it here, or with a configurator such as Tacton Design Automation. We guess you know this problem well. After changing dimensions on the 3D model, chaos breaks out in the drawing. Annotations slip on contour lines or overlap each other, and surface specifications and tolerances are no longer where they make sense. The solution is just a click away. With Lino 2D Fix, everything is back where it belongs. And you will hardly believe how little effort it takes to set up this function for a concrete drawing. You don't believe that? Then try it out for yourself. Get your trial version from Lino this day.